Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you take come across this video. Me na KONGOSSA TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. My people, this particular video so na 2-in-1. The first matter about this Bobrisky one that they see for on a screen, so and the wahala wey take they go on between her and her ex-bestie. My people, they talk say if you get friend way for that moment take the dengue post the sweet make you take use your tongue take count your teeth because the day where you go come talk say me I no can't do again now your nyash na go be outside as in the wind go take blow can't take expose your nyash because this same bestie na go take expose your matter to the public. Anyways, my beautiful people, we go take dive on top the second matter when about this our princess comedian and this Nollywood or Yoruba actress where she don't come call her art as in Mama Rainbow. She come out come talk say she take dey highly disappointed in Mama Rainbow because she no come believe say wetin Mama Rainbow take talk she be fit talk say she be get a lot of respect for am and she no be fit believe say Mama Rainbow fit take do her this kind thing. My people, una sabi say princess comedian some months ago come out come tell us say some Yoruba actor wey im name na Baba Ijesha he can't use his hand take destroy her daughter Pomo up to her next extent where Baba Ijesha Congo said and of recent they can't bail am, that is the grant bail, it can't be free. So my people before we want to finish inside the matter, make we first attack this Bobrisky matter. I can't talk before say if you get a friend and you know say one day you feel can't tell and say my friend me no want do again no, make you mind the way you take the leave with that kind friend because person wey you take open all your nyash give them out now that kind person if you take your matter e go expose them for people. My people una see wetin Bobrisky take do, una see all this convoy una dey take see so my beautiful people, all this convoy so now for take protect Bobrisky as in Bobrisky Congo in bank accounts they gonna withdraw 100 million naira. My people, all of this for take out shadow total take tell and say me no say you owe my 5 million and you are unable to pay so but me still get money gidigba as in she talk say na her sugar daddy na take give and to am. Say she just go now one night so but now a lot of people come the talk say no be because of this sugar daddy matter na she take her out. Some say na because say Tonto Dike don't come give am good news for outside. Make I read some comments make we hear. It talks say who give Bobrisky this assignment now since Tonto Dike posted her good news. This Bobrisky has been busy doing everything possible to put shine out of Tonto. God forbid this kind of friends around me wey go actually dey pepper body it should in case I take prosper for this life. My people, the matter come dey do one kind another come talk say make Bobrisky tell us the truth of the matter as in where she can't take this money because no be only her sugar daddy can't give am to am. Another person sef come talk say Bobrisky don't come go into drugs so and if true na true say Bobrisky dey into drugs that be say na clean na be her name now. My people, wetin una think about this matter? I can't see and say no, make me self take put mouth inside and make una write for comment section wetin una think about this matter. Make we dive for the next one. So my beautiful people, the next matter we take the outside now about this our princess comedian who una take the see for una screen like this. She come out come say she dey very disappointed with Mama Rainbow. Say Mama Rainbow come things where she no supposed to talk, and can't put her family here for situation where her family already take the victimize can't worsen the situation, as in you can't take kerosene and my people can't pour them on top of fire. I go leave una the video for here, my people, make una watch and by una self. But before that, if you can't say here, you know what, subscribe, which you wait for. Please now subscribe, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to put on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to be notified. Thank you so much. Ciao.
But I'm doing this video because of Mama Rainbow. I just saw her interview with BBC, or BBC Yoruba just now, and Mama Rainbow ojú gbà mí tì fún yín, kí n ṣe abiyamọ gidi. Mo regret pé mo ever respect yín, mo regret pé mo ever mú yín, mo ever rí yín bí ìyá bí grandma. Ẹ ń sọ pé ẹ fi ọjọ́ mẹ́rin pè mí, ẹ̀yin sọ fún mi pé kémi jọ, ní pé èmi ò dá yín lóhùn, ní pé èmi pé ṣe bóun nìyẹn, ṣe bọ́ ti release. And now, for your information, tí ẹ bá mọ̀, ẹ kàn lẹ pè mí. And then you called me maybe 4 days before. Meanwhile, you called me when somebody was in police custody, telling me ní pé kí n lọ release ẹ, and you instruct me, and I never disrespected you. I even took my time láti ṣàlàyé fún yín pé kí ló dé tẹ́ fi pè. Ẹ ní pé ó pè yín, ní pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà pè yín lálẹ́ yẹn, pé ní kẹjọ kẹ bá òun bẹ̀ mí, pé òun ti ṣẹ̀ mí, pé aláàánú mi ni, aláàánú òun ni mo jẹ́. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín, mo ní Mama Rainbow, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà, mo ní ṣé ó sọ nǹkan tó ṣe fún yín, ẹni kò ṣàlàyé, pé but tó fi lè pè yín yẹn ó rò pé ó yẹ kẹ́ lè bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Kódà ìgbà tẹ́ pè mí gan, ẹ̀ ń sọ pé ṣé mo mọ ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀, mo ní nọ́mbà yín mama, ẹ wà shocked, mo ní nọ́mbà yín náà, because ìyálẹ̀ jẹ́ sí gbogbo wa, mo ní nọ́mbà yín. Mo wá sọ fún yín pé nǹkan báyìí ló ṣe. Ìgbà tí mò ń sọ fún yín, ẹ̀ ń gbọ́n lórí fóònù tẹ́ ní ẹ máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó pọ̀ báyìí ni, kíní kan, ẹ tí ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ máa sọ, ẹ ní kí n jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní pé kí n sẹ́ndì àdírẹ́sì ilé mi sí yín. Ìgbà tó di ọjọ́ kẹta, ẹ pè mí, ẹ sọ pé ẹ lọ́rọ̀ tí mo sọ fún yín yẹn, ẹ ló dùn yín gan, ní pé then ẹ rí pé my mind was not okay, I was crying, I was not myself. You now asked me ní pé I should send my address so that you come and see me, you were not feeling good about tí ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣe le tó yẹn. I sent you the address, you never came. No, you never came. You didn't come because kò kàn yín. Ẹ wò pé mi ṣá kì í ṣe ọmọ yín. Ṣé bí àwọn ọmọ ẹbí mo ti yín, Mama Rainbow, ẹbí ọmọ ti yín. Just ìgbà tí Instagram page ọmọ yín ní problem, Instagram nìkan ni o, that he used to reach his fans. Mo rí bẹ́ ṣe jáde, please follow my son, he's paid. Ọmọ yín nìyẹn, ẹ mọ ọmọ tí yín tọ́jú, bọ́n nítorí mi jí ọmọ lọ́mọ, ẹ pè mí, ẹ ń sọ fún mi pé kí n lọ release èèyàn tó wà ní police custody for a crime. Mo dẹ̀ tí mi tún bínú, I was crying that day, I was not happy. Mo tún ṣàlàyé fún yín, ẹ wá ń pretend, àṣẹ ń pretend ni, Mama Rainbow, ẹ ń pretend lórí fóònù bí pé abiyamọ ni, ẹ ń gbọ́n, ẹ ń sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ pé ẹ máa ṣe tí wá lèmi dè ní ó tì. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti pè mí lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn wípé pẹ̀lẹ́ ọkọ mi, pẹ̀lẹ́ Ọlọ́run mà ní jẹ́, ẹ pè mí o, ìyẹn number 2. Ẹ wá ń sọ pé ní court, èmi sọ pé ń bo lẹ́yìn wà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà ṣe wà ń bẹ̀. Àgbàlagbà ni yín, nǹkan tí ojú yín ò bá tó kò yẹ kẹ́ máa sọ. Mo wà ní court, mo máa béèrè pé ibo ló ń gbà, èmi máa béèrè pé ibo ló ń gbà jáde lẹ́yìn court. Why? Nítorí kíni? Nítorí mo ṣẹ̀. Ẹni tó gbé cocaine tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó gbé cocaine tó mú, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé ẹ̀yin sì torí ẹ̀ lọ gbanú kọ̀rọ̀? Mo béèrè wo Mama Rainbow. No. Almost you can just imagine Mama Rainbow that I held in high esteem. You can ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ló ṣe ránṣẹ́ dé tòrùtòrù. Mama Rainbow, ìbá jẹ́ pé mi jí ọmọ yín, pé ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ ọmọ yín, ẹ̀yin ìbá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣe kọ́kọ́ fi igi kẹ́ fi gún ọmọ yín lójú, kẹ́ tó fi gún ọmọ ẹyẹ. Ẹ ṣe gbàdúrà ẹ̀ fúnra yín ná pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ yín, kẹ́ tó ro irú ẹ̀ sí mi. Mi ò expect ẹ̀ sí yín rárá. Mo lè má dákẹ́ o, mo lè má dákẹ́ because nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí mi gbàdúrà fún ẹ, fún ọ̀tá mi. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé mo believe pé justice will be served. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé mo believe ní pé everything hidden will come to light. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé I'm going through a lot of pains and I will not wish it on my enemy. Mi ò dákẹ́ títorí yín, Mama Rainbow. Ẹ wá jáde. Ẹ wá wà so insensitive láti máa sọ pé ẹ̀yin bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ sọ pé kó má jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yẹn dariwo. Láàrin èmi àti yín níjọ́ tẹ́ pè mí, mo bi yín pé báwo lẹ ṣe gbọ́, ẹ lóhùn ló pè yín. Ẹ ṣe béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́rọ̀ kẹ́ tó máa ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́pẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. Ṣẹ́yìn ò mọ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní àgbà tí ò bá ṣẹ́nu kò sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa kẹtàn sáré ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín, mi ò wá sọ́rí láti pa ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ àgbà ni mí. Ẹni tó pè yín pé kẹ́ bẹ̀ mí, nígbà tó pè yín pé kẹ́ bẹ̀ mí, ṣó pè yín ó sọ fún yín pé àná náà mú mi síbi ó tì. Èèyàn tó wà ní àtìmọ́lé tó jẹ́ pé for the first few days tó fi wá bẹ̀ mí gan ni mò ń sit to welfare. Tẹ́ pè mí bóyá a week later tẹ́ sọ fún mi pé Princess Joy ó ní kí n bẹ̀. Mo ní kí ló sọ pé òun ṣe. You called me. Shokoti called me. Ọlá Ìyá Igwe called me. Olasco called me. Ṣé bí industry yẹn ṣe tóbi tó, ṣé máa sọ pé mi mọ̀ àwọn people yìí? Wọ́n pè mí. Wọ́n kọ́ sẹ́ àwọn ní káwọn bẹ̀bẹ̀. Nígbà tí mo sọ nǹkan tó ṣe, wọ́n ò lè pè mí padà. Ẹ wá lọ ń sọ pé how can you say that to me, Ìyá Rainbow? Why? Don't ever. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti kàn mí, Ìyá Rainbow, just stay away from it. Because I used to respect you up until this evening. Mo wá wò. It's a shame. It's a shame. If I have a proper upbringing to know that you are supposed to respect your elders, but I also have a proper upbringing and I'm a rooted Christian to know that Bíbélì ṣe sọ pé ká bọ̀wọ̀ fún àwọn òbí wa. Bíbélì ní do not anger your children. If I were your child, will you come to me and say I should go and release somebody that is in police custody for a crime that they are investigating, and then you go online, you start talking? Were you there? Were you in court? Were you with me when I was in court? Must you talk about what you don't see? Is it compulsory? Ìyá Rainbow, ṣé àgbàlagbà kọ́ ni yín mọ́ ni? Àgbàlagbà kọ́ ni yín? Tí ṣe nǹkankan rí ní kékeré tẹ̀yìn gangan pàápàá tó yẹ pé ìwà tẹ́ wù táwọn èèyàn bá gbọ́ ọ máa sọ. Kò sí internet nígbà tí internet bá wà, most of you bóyá gan lèèyàn á lè yàrá yín ní méjì 5 kọ́bọ̀. Ìyá Rainbow, you called me. You collected my home address. Have you come? Ẹ sọ pé bí mo ní grandma mo lè ṣe gan. Mo nínú mi dẹ́dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pé. Ẹ gba address lé mi, ẹ jọ ṣẹ wá. Ó tì, ẹ gbà nítorí àbòsí tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ gbà nítorí ọ̀tẹ̀ àti ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn tí ẹ fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ wá dúró, ẹ sọ láàrin ibi tó mọ. Àárín àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ti ń sọ, wọ́n ti sọ fún mi, èmi ò dáhùn. Mo wò pé ọ̀rọ̀ àhesọ ni ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ni. If Mama Rainbow tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́yìn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi níbi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ni, ìpàkọ́ ògbọ́sùtì orí ẹlẹ́gàn ló bàjẹ́. But ẹ wá jáde lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti sọ lẹ́yìn, ẹ ṣe wá sọ níwájú, ẹni ṣe bó nìyẹn ṣe bọ́ ti fi sílẹ̀. Who are you, Mama Rainbow? You are supposed to be a role model, a grandmother, a strong Christian. Ọmọ Kérúbù Séráfù ni mí. Ọmọ Mósè Orímọládé tún ọ̀la ṣe. I am ashamed of you that you can come for me that way at your age. Ẹ dẹ̀ ní ọmọ yín, ẹ dẹ̀ ní àwọn ọmọ yín. Ṣé ẹ̀yin gba ẹ gbàdúrà irú ẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ yín àti ọmọ yín? Ìbá jẹ́ tí ìwọ ni, ìwọ ìbá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Must you talk, Mama Rainbow? I am going through a lot already. I am hanging on. I only rely on my God. Ọlọ́run mi ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Òun dẹ̀ ni mo gbójúlé. Nítorí pé àwọn tó le ju ẹ̀rọ tó le ju fẹ́rẹ̀ wo bó ṣe end. Ọba Nebukadnezar gan, ó ṣe bí ẹranko. How can you? Nǹkan tí ò ṣe ojú yín, ẹ pera yín lágbàlagbà. Nǹkan tí ò ṣe ojú yín, I've never seen this kind of thing before. Fine, people are doing it. Trolls are doing it. Young people are doing it. You are an adult who called me, who asked for explanation. In fact, you are a grandma. Why am I calling you an adult? You are no longer an adult. You are an elderly woman. You should know better. You collected my home address for what? To be sharing it among people. to be gossiping behind my back. I never said a word. Then you went online to go and say it again. Do you think I'm afraid of you? Mama Rainbow, I am not afraid of you. You are not worthy for the respect for you as a grandma. You are not worthy of it. I, Princess Oluwadamilola, I will stand for my child till the end. I will stand for all the other victims. I will stand for anybody that has been molested or defiled. You, Mama Rainbow, what do you stand for? Appearing in all Airtel adverts, acting like a grandma that I have always, since I was small, I have known you. Up until this moment, I never knew this was the kind of person you are. Iya Rainbow, wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe ni wò. Ó ṣe mí, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣe mí, ó jẹ́ kí n rí irú èèyàn tẹ́ jẹ́, Iya Rainbow. Mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín, ṣé ìyá ó ń ṣe báyìí sí ọmọ?